Hi, I'm Katie Halcrow with Power Up Prep, and I'm super excited today to take you through some tips and strategies to help you power up your ACT. If this is your first time with us, first, welcome. Second, check out the link below. There, you're going to find the ACT questions and the note sheets that you can do along with these videos. All right, so let's get those materials together, and we're going to be ready to power up. Okay, so we're gonna dig into the ACT English section. I'm super excited. I love talking about grammar questions and everything like that. But before we dig in to the grammar, what I wanna do is talk to you about the overview of the English section and then some general strategies that you're gonna wanna know. So, first of all, the English section has 75 questions on it and you get 45 minutes to answer them. I know that might sound overwhelming, but these questions follow a pattern. And what I'm gonna do in this video and the other videos is teach you about those patterns so that you can recognize the pattern and then get them right. Okay, so let's talk about 5 general strategies that you wanna know for the English test. Strategy number 1, like general rule number 1, is you always need to read the entire sentence. So you want to read the full sentence from the very beginning of the sentence to the very end of the sentence when you're answering a question. Even if only 1 or 2 words in the middle of the sentence are underlined, if you don't read the full sentence, you could miss out on important information and get the question wrong. So always read the full sentence from the very beginning to the very end. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2, if you don't know the right answer to a question, figure out what you can eliminate. So that means sometimes we look at a question and we're like, I have no idea. You might have no idea of what the right answer is, but you might be able to eliminate a question that is the wrong answer, or eliminate an answer choice that's the wrong answer. And that is helpful because 3 wrong answers, finding 3 wrong ones is just as good as finding 1 right answer. So elimination, always a positive. And let's say that you can't eliminate 3 answers. Let's say you can only eliminate 2 answers. So you cross out 2 of the answer choices. That's still good because if you cross out 2 answer choices, then you have a 50-50 shot of getting the question right. So if you don't know what the right answer is, that's okay. Eliminate what you can and then take your best guess. All right, number 3. This is a procedural thing. Whatever is underlined in a question, so it has that little line under it in a question, like the example that you're seeing right now, all of that is removed when you choose a new answer. So sometimes people forget this. Sometimes people think that one of the words that's underlined stays in, or they forget that it doesn't stay in. So just remember, if the word is underlined and you choose a different answer choice, that word is coming out. So everything that's underlined is coming out. All right, number 4. I want you to think about the word preceding. What does the word preceding mean? You might have said what comes after. It's actually what comes before. So think pre-game, pre-season, preview for a movie. All of those pre-words are things that come before. So preceding means what comes before. So if the question, like the one you see here, is asking about the preceding sentence, what you need to do is look at the sentence that comes before that point in the essay. Okay, and then the last one is about vocabulary questions. The thing to remember about vocabulary questions is that they don't matter. Vocab questions, there's only 5 of them that come up on the ACT test in English, and you have no idea. There's no way to prepare for them, right? You don't know what's going to come up. So they're not important. You can still miss all 5 of those vocabulary questions and get a 33 or 34 on the ACT exam. So what I want you to do is concentrate on the ones that you can learn strategies for and not worry about these because you never know what's going to come up. So what I want you to do is if you come to a vocab question and you don't know that vocabulary, what you're going to do is you're going to pick your best response, eliminate what you can, pick your best guess, and then move on. All right, so going back, just to remind you, your 5 helpful tips are, number 1, always read that whole sentence so you don't miss out on important information in the sentence that you need to answer it. Number 2, if you don't know the right answer, see what you can eliminate. Number 3, whatever is underlined all comes out. So don't leave any of the words in if you're choosing a different answer choice. Number 4, the word preceding means before. And number 5, vocabulary questions are not important because you never know what's going to come up. There's no strategy for them. So we're just going to take our best guess and move on. All right, we're all set. Let's dig in. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them below. We love to hear from you. Also, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of our curriculum or other tips and tricks that can help you power up your ACT.